Great little idea that Spartan have come up with is the suction mount for the car. Couple that with the Davros head, it is absolutely fantastic and gives you a great shooting platform to shoot off. Just pop it onto the bonnet or onto the roof of the car, pump it up, and there you go. That is absolutely solid. Pop the Davros head onto it, and there you've got your shooting platform. You unscrew that a tad and you can sort of move that all around. So pop your gun onto it, and there you go. You're fully movable up and down. Really is a fantastic idea, this is from Spartan. The other added bonus is Spartan have recently brought out a toolkit which can actually also be used as an extension bar. Again, what a great little idea. Just unscrew it and you've got 10 bits in there, and then in the screw thread on the bottom is a hex where you pop your tool bit into. But just get that, unscrew your Davros head, pop in the extension, screw that on, still solid as you can see, and then just pop your gun on top, and then that gives you that little bit more elevation. And so you can track anything around, you can move it up, down, sort of track it. Really good invention. Available from Shooting Sports UK and distributed in the UK by Ray Trade. Cheers guys, thanks for watching.